Accounting. The action or process of keeping financial accounts. We want someone for the new company who is good at accounting. Barter. To exchange goods or services for other goods or services without using money. I used to barter flowers with my friends. Confidentiality. Where someone is trusted to keep private information a secret. All replies will be treated with complete confidentiality. Economics. Relating to trade, industry and the management of money. I hope I study economics at Kuwait University. Insurance. An arrangement with a company to guarantee loss of property or damage. I have to renew my car insurance this week. It is no longer valid. Invest. To buy shares or goods because you hope the value will increase. You'd better invest your money in a project instead of keeping it in a bank. Investment. The sum of money invested to make a profit. Governments should encourage investments in their countries. Loan. A thing that is borrowed, especially a sum of money. Don't take a loan from the bank. You can buy a cheaper car and change it later. Management. The process of dealing with or controlling things or people. This company is not successful. It has suffered from bad management. Transaction. An instance of buying or selling something. I'd like to buy a new house, but I don't have money for such a transaction. Auction. A public sale in which goods or property are sold to the highest bidder. I bought this wonderful painting from an auction for valuable things. Complimentary. Something given for free. The winners got complimentary tickets to Saudi Arabia to do Umrah. Login. A process of starting a computer system. You can't get a login because you don't have the username and password. Shipping. The transport of goods by sea or other means. I ordered a laptop on the internet. It'll cost me 300 Kuwaiti dinars and 20 for shipping tax. A compulsory payment to the government, used to pay for public services. People pay taxes according to their business and profits. Affluent. Having a great deal of money, wealthy. Affluent people have very expensive things. evil. Very bad, harmful or wicked. Money is said to be the root of all evils. Extinct. Having no living members. Dinosaurs became distinct millions of years ago. Generosity. The quality of being kind and sharing. Generosity is a common value in Kuwaiti society. Gross. To produce or earn an amount of money, as total profit or income. The new film has grossed over $200 million this year. In this sense, a way in which an expression or a situation can be interpreted. The best way to learn a job is to do it. In this sense, experience is the best teacher. Profit. The difference between the amount earned and the amount spent. Mr. Ali runs a very successful business. He earns great profit. Spur. To encourage. We should spur people to do good jobs. Success. Achievement. The success of any project depends largely on its manager. Billionaire. Someone who has assets more than $1 billion or pounds. Bill Gates is a billionaire. He was the world's richest person in 2013. Charitable. Relating to giving help to those in need. Mr. Samah is known for his charitable projects. He always helps the poor. Inherit. To receive money or property from someone who has died. Who will inherit all this fortune when he dies? It seems that he has no relatives. Philanthropic. Donating money to good causes and promoting the welfare of those in need. Kareem is helpful, especially with poor people. He is a philanthropic person. Tax return. A form used to calculate the amount of tax owed. This is our tax return to the government to calculate how much tax we have to pay.